Imagine that you uploaded a video as a monetized channel, and from the first day, the video went viral and you are getting a lot of views and the revenue is coming in, and suddenly YouTube deleted that video. I'm very sure that many of us are not aware of the YouTube policy that I'm going to talk about in this video, and possibly some of us might be violating this video on our channels without knowing, and the only time we're going to know is when YouTube comes hard on our channel. So this was the case with a creator that was close to me. He shared his sad experience he had on his channel, that YouTube deleted his best performing video. I mean, he's working towards the monetization threshold on his channel, and the video that was giving him the large number of watch time hours, YouTube deleted it. So what was his offense? Is simple: violation of the harassment and cyberbullying policy. So this was the screenshot he shared with me. So here YouTube found that this particular video with this title, that it violated the harassment and cyberbullying policy, and it means that content that shares, threatens to share, or encourages others to share non-public, personally identifiable information, that violates YouTube policy. And the action, how it impacts the channel: this content has been removed from YouTube, and the creator can take a step. Other screenshots he shared with me, here you can see that this video has gotten over 24,000 views, and it was uploaded one year ago with, here we can see the terms and policy violation, and here the visibility. YouTube has removed this video from his channel. So now it surprises me as the creator was also surprised, because this creator is into educational content. He makes tutorials on how to use some financial instruments, and unknowingly, this particular video where he was making some tutorial, some information about the document he was using was shared on the screen. So now you might say, but this doesn't have anything to do with harassment and cyberbullying. It was just purely a tutorial video on how to use an equipment, just like the kind of tutorial I make on this channel. Sometimes you see that I blur some information like emails and some other sensitive information, but I know many of us doesn't see anything wrong with it. Sadly, YouTube takes this seriously. So now let me take you to the harassment and cyberbullying policy page, where they explained in details what this policy is all about. So here you can see a short video here that summarizes the whole policy, but it is not restricted to only those information. Now here you can see that it says, we don't allow content that targets someone with prolonged insult or slur based on their physical traits or protected group status. So now this channel has nothing to do with this. It wasn't kind of promoting any hate speech or whatever in his video, or this particular video that was affected. But one thing we need to understand there, I want to take you to where the particular place or the particular paragraph that really explained everything about what this creator or what the video violated. So here it says that posting an individual's non-public, personally identifiable information like a phone number, home address, email address, to direct abusive attention or traffic towards them. For example, saying, I got a hold of their phone number, call and leave message until they pick up. So the intent of this creator that his channel, that his video was deleted, he doesn't have this intent. He was just making a tutorial on a particular instrument where he was sharing some details, and someone's information just appeared. Now yours could probably not be, you might not be doing an tutorial content like this particular creator, but have in mind that even if you're into entertainment, anytime any personal information or any information that YouTube deems as being personal information that shouldn't be shared in the public, if it pops out or show anywhere in your video, that means definitely you are violating, or you have violated, that video has violated this policy. Now, where this gets a lot trickier is that when you upload your video, I mean, it will go through the process of checking all those checks and whatever, and it could be there for a long time. And just imagine this video has been on YouTube for about 1 year and nothing happened to it. And this could happen to any creator, whether you are monetized or you are not yet monetized. For example, imagine that you uploaded a video as a monetized channel, and from the first day the video went viral and you are getting a lot of views and the revenue is coming in, and suddenly YouTube deleted that video for violating their harassment and cyberbullying policy just because someone's information, possibly, let me say something like a car plate number, was just shown in your video, and YouTube just take down that video. And for sure, if you have not gotten that money into your AdSense account, definitely the whole money you make from that video will be gone. So this is just like an awareness video. Now, what can you do now on your channel if you notice, or you know that maybe some of your videos have some personal information being exposed in them? What you need to do is just go to your YouTube studio, click on the particular video that you want to make adjustment on, then you go to the editor. So on this editor, there's this particular tool, this blur tool. When you click on it, you can use custom blur, and it has this option of tracking an object. Let's say, for example, now that maybe this my face, I mean, my face exposes some personal information, my eyes exposes some personal information. All I need to do is just to drag the blur, just drag it, make some adjustment, and then come to the timeline and then make some adjustments, how long you want the blur to look like, something like that. This is how you can just do it. And when you are done, you can just click save. So with this, anything that has any personal information, you can blur it on your already uploaded YouTube video, and this could save you a whole lot. It could save you your watch time hours, save you stress, and even save you money that you should have gotten from your videos. So this is very, very important, and it's so sad that I've planned to make this video long time ago, but unfortunately things took over, and I felt that this thing happening to someone very close to me, I think I need to share it with the community. Please check your videos and also be sensitive, especially to those of us who do vlogging, outdoor vlogging. When you're making videos, maybe some house address or personal information that mistakenly show up in your videos, just find that time to blur it before you upload it on your channel. And if you have already uploaded it on your channel, then use this editor tool in your YouTube studio to blur those information out, so that YouTube will not clamp down on your video. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thought about what is going on YouTube now. In my own opinion, I think the machines, the AIs are taking over the YouTube detection or detecting system, and they are doing more than what they are required to do, in my own opinion. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.